Download and install the plugin from the zip file. Go to Size Chart, All Size Charts, scroll down to edit available size chat templates. You can customize any information on size template to fit your products. Or add a new size chart template. Create size chart information, including size chart name, size chart description, design for size chart, select color for size chart in the template option. Bulk add a number of rows or columns for size chart. Bulk remove a number of rows or columns from the end row or column. The plus button to add single rows and columns, and the subtract button to remove single rows and columns. Type text to each cells of table to add size chart information. Import size chart in CSV file that will replace the current size chart. In the table color, you can configure color for size chart, including header background, text header, even row background, even row text, odd row background, odd row text. In the border, you can configure color for size chart, including horizontal width, vertical width, border color, horizontal border style, vertical border style. Preview helps to observe size chart before updating. Add image to show in size chart. You can adjust image width and percentage. Assign the current size chart for products or categories. Go to Size Chart, Settings. In the size chart type, there will be 4 size chart types that you can select to display size chart on product page. The pop-up type, size chart, will display as pop-up. Configure how size chart pop-up display in the left or right. Icon or text button type, button and text color. Size chart product tab type, size chart will display as a product tab. size chart shortcode, copy shortcode, to display size chart anywhere. You should select none in size chart type, to use size chart shortcode. Go to size chart. All size charts. Copy shortcode of the size chart you want. Add the shortcode anywhere you want on product page. Maybe, in the description tab. Or product short description. Thank you for watching our video and subscribe to get our new videos.